January month is a thyroid awareness month. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. As much as 60% of the population may have an undiagnosed thyroid disease. Clinically, a significant cases of thyroid diseases are often missed by doctors. The reason is there is no screening for thyroid diseases is in place. An estimated 200 million people worldwide are affected by thyroid diseases. In United States alone, 20 million people are living with a thyroid disease, and 60% of people are unaware they have a thyroid condition. Undiagnosed thyroid disorders can have serious health consequences, including cardiovascular illnesses, osteoporosis, and infertility. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland located just above your collarbone and in front of the windpipe. This gland controls important functions of our body, such as regulating breathing, heart rate, body weight, muscle strength, cholesterol, and body temperature. The thyroid can be either overactive, and this condition is called as hyperthyroidism, or underactive. This condition is known as hypothyroidism, and both conditions can lead to health problems. All thyroid abnormal conditions are treatable. So speak with your local doctor, for example, general practitioner or any endocrinologist, for expert opinion. It is diagnosed by testing thyroid function tests and other necessary tests. Thank you very much for watching this video.